Power, symbol P. Power in physics. What is power in physics? How can we define power in physics? We can define the power in physics as P power is equal to work done per unit time. Work done per unit time. When an object is doing work with respect to time, means when we apply a force on the object, means when we apply a force on the object and it is covering the displacement. When you apply a force on the object and it is covering displacement in a particular time, then it is said to be as the power. Simply we can say that rate of doing work is called power. Rate of doing work is called power. Here the formula P is equal to w/t, because the rate of doing work in a particular time is called power. Power becomes w/p. W is the work done by the object, work done by the body by applying the force in a particular time t. So how can we derive the formula for the power? P is equal to w/t. W means work done. Work is equal to F into d. Force into displacement. T means time or second. P is equal to power is equal to the SI unit of force is Newton, SI unit of displacement is meter, SI unit of time we already have written here second. Second is the SI unit of time. So Newton is the SI unit of force, meter is the SI unit of displacement, and second is the SI unit of time. So Newton-meter per second is the SI unit of power. Also we can write as P is equal to Newton, meter is equal to joule. P is equal to joule per second. Joule per second is also the SI unit of power. We can write Newton meter per second or joule per second. Or joule per second is equal to watt. 1 watt. Watt is also the unit of power. So the watt is another unit of power. P is equal to watt. So watt is equal to joule per second. So here we can write a unit of power is simply watt. So what we have learned today about the power is the rate of doing work. Rate of doing work within a particular time is said to be as the power. Here we specify the time, but in the definition of work we only express the force applied on the object and it is covering displacement. But in power we mention the time, in which time the work is going to be done. That is called power. So the power is what? Work done per unit time. The SI unit of power is what? Joule per second or simply watt. Thank you.